What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s channel, and man, I'm getting used to this whole routine again. I'm loving it. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the homie Smoke's house over in Long Beach for a carbon fiber hood install. So that should be fun. It's gonna be fast. It's a very easy thing to do in case you guys ever want to get a hood. We'll show you guys the process. It's really not that long. But before we go to Long Beach, coffee first. Yeet. Ooh. I got coffee. Ooh, that's hot. It's good though. Let's go to Long Beach. All right, guys, we made it out to Long Beach. We have the homie G-Raw right here.
What's up, guys?
And the homie Smokes.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
And this is the car we're gonna be working on today. G37 Sedan. So we're just gonna swap out the OEM hood for the carbon hood he has there. That's a pretty nice setup. And let's get this shit started. No, I'm just tiring them, yeah. So check it out, guys. There it is. It latched on perfectly. I mean, it's carbon creation, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's not bad at all either. It's pretty good. Hey, Smokes, what do you think? It's good or what?
It looks good, man. It looks amazing, actually. Dang,
you see?
A big, huge difference.
A lot of people bag on carbon creation because they're like, oh, it's terrible fitment, but it's not bad for what it is.
Actually, the fitment is a lot better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a huge gap here, and from the sides, it seems just almost on point.
Yeah.
This side might be just a bit of a gap, but not major.
Yeah.
It's actually really good, actually, for carbon creations.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is, guys. The install wasn't that long. Ran into maybe 1 or 2 complications, but I mean, it's not bad. What it is, it's not bad. Looks good. Check out that front shot.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.